Welcome back to Feshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about modern Japanese interior design. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Japanese interior design has long been renowned for its simplicity, elegance, and functionality. It is deeply rooted in the country's culture and history, with a keen focus on balance, harmony, and the appreciation of natural beauty. In recent years, modern Japanese interior design has emerged as a popular trend, blending traditional elements with contemporary aesthetics. In modern Japanese interior design, minimalism is not just about having fewer items in a room. It's a philosophy that encourages us to focus on the essential elements and eliminate the unnecessary. This can be seen in the careful selection of furniture, where each piece is chosen for its functionality and the value it adds to the space. The layout of the room is also meticulously planned to ensure a smooth flow of energy throughout the space. The use of natural elements in Japanese interior design is deeply connected to the country's love and respect for nature. This is reflected in the choice of materials, with a preference for natural, sustainable options like wood, bamboo, and paper. The design often incorporates elements of the natural world, such as plants or water features, to create a sense of tranquility and peace. The concept of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection and transience, is also prevalent in the use of natural elements. The influence of traditional Japanese architecture and design is evident in modern Japanese interior design. Tatami mats, traditionally made of rice straw, provide a natural and comfortable flooring option. Shoji screens, made of translucent paper over a wooden frame, serve as doors, windows, and room dividers, allowing light to filter through and create a soft, diffused lighting effect. Futon beds, which can be folded and stored away during the day, reflect the practical and efficient use of space. These traditional elements, while adapted to modern living, still carry the essence of the Japanese way of life, reflecting a deep respect for culture and tradition. Modern Japanese interior design is a testament to the timeless appeal of Japanese aesthetics. It offers a tranquil and minimalist approach to living, promoting a sense of peace and harmony in the home. Whether you're looking to redesign your entire home or just want to incorporate a few Japanese-inspired elements, this design style offers plenty of inspiration. Remember, the key to achieving a successful Japanese interior design lies in the balance between modern functionality and traditional beauty. It's about creating a space that is not only visually appealing but also comfortable and practical. Happy designing! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a modern Japanese interior design. Thank you.